Today, let's dive into the vocabulary term dorobo, a word you might often hear in suspenseful crime dramas or while discussing security and safety. The word dorobo means a thief or burglar, someone who steals things sneakily. It is used in contexts relating to theft or burglary. The first kanji means mud or clay, and it often shows something dirty or stuck. In words like doro darake, it gives the idea that something is covered in mud, and in doronuma, it suggests a muddy swamp or a difficult, messy situation. The second kanji means a stick or pole, and it adds a sense of a long, thin object. In words like boyomi, it contributes the sense of a rigid, wooden delivery. And in bo takatobi, it literally means the pole used for vaulting. The thief runs away. 泥棒が逃げる。泥棒が逃げる。I met a thief. 私は泥棒に会った。私は泥棒に会った。My son becoming a thief? How could it be? 息子は泥棒になるなんて。息子は泥棒になるなんて。Why should I give money to a thief? お金を泥棒に合わせるものかい？お金を泥棒に合わせるものかい？ The most common synonym of the word dorobo is nusutto. While both refer to someone who steals, nusutto is often considered slightly old-fashioned and might be used in more literary or traditional contexts. The most common antonyms of the word dorobo are keikan and hogosha. Keikan refers to a police officer representing law enforcement and protection, which is the opposite of committing theft. Hogosha refers to a guardian or protector, emphasizing safety and care contrary to wrongful actions.